Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add text behind objects in Premiere Pro. First, we're going to click on our text tool and type in our text. And let's make the necessary adjustments under the essential graphics as you prefer. And you can click on align to simply position it within your canvas. And now we are going to adjust the text layer duration within the timeline to match our video. And once you have done that, let us duplicate the video layer by holding Alt and dragging it at the top of your text. Now let's go to Effects and search for Color Key and drag it to the video above the text. Let's go to Effect Controls, and under the color key we should have this little dropper tool. Click on it and we are going to click on the background that we have. And once you have done that, let us adjust the color tolerance to make our text appear. And note that this will only work if the background is a different color from your foreground. So once you have adjusted the color tolerance, make sure you adjust it so that the text will appear in the background, but not so much that it will erase some parts of the text. And that is how you can basically add text behind objects in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.